Good morning, bro. Can I join you? This is the Eagle of FPL's Crash Company.
I always knew inside I wouldn't have you for a long time.
Those dreams of yours are shining on distant shore, and when they call you away, I have the right to make you stay.
But somewhere down the road goodbye or not forever. It doesn't matter if you're gone. I still believe in us together. I understand more than you think I can. And if you go out on your own, so you can find your way back home.
Somewhere down the road, our roads are gonna cross again. It doesn't really matter when, but somewhere down the road, I know that heart of yours will come to see that you've been alone with me.
Just another way to say I always love you so.
We had the right love at the wrong time. Maybe we'd only just begun. Maybe the best is just to come.
Doesn't